yes. Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish and their activities. They looking good. This place is very beautiful and here is some colorful fish playing well. Marvelous fish. Excellent fish. Looking good. Mashallah, this koi carp. This is snake-headed fish. This is white fish. This is green fish. You can call it yellow. This is originally green. This is originally green fish. Oh, looking good. Mashallah. Mashallah. Here are koi fish. Some beautiful fish. Playing well. Playing well. I hope you enjoy this video. To get more video, please subscribe my channel. Don't be worried. Beautiful fish are playing well. I want to catch this green fish. Whoa, wow, wow. This eye is also green. This eye is also green. Body also green. Eyes, both eyes also green. Looking good, mashallah. Here is another little koi carp. Oh, so little. Very clever. Oh, yes. It takes shelter is some. Oh, beautiful, beautiful color. Wow, mashallah, looking good. Oh, yes, it go from my hand. Yes. Oh, this is another beautiful fish. Mashallah, looking good. Oh, yes. Mashallah, mashallah. Wonderful fish, looking good. Oh, the koi fish are going. Want to going from here. Little one, don't go, come back. Oh, yes. This is good tactics. A koi fish. Oh, yes. Beautiful fish. Oh, wonderful fish. This is marvelous. This is marvelous. Look here. Playing, eating, looking good. So video will be exciting. So let's get started. Yes, there are some colorful fish are playing well. Marvelous, marvelous. How can they eat? I want to watch you. I want to watch you. Oh, yes. Fantastic. Fantastic. Wow. Looking good. Playing well. They eat marvelously. Oh, mashallah, mashallah. Looking good. Playing well. Take feet. Oh, yes. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Snake-headed fish. Want to go from here and come back. It's shy. And then come back. Very clever. He is very clever. And try again and again. Go from here. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I hope you enjoy this video. Get more video, please subscribe my channel. This is wonderful, wonderful. This is playing well. This is playing well. They take feet. The feet are finished. Oh, it is. Take it. Looking good. Mashallah. Mashallah. This is white. This is white fish. Whoa, oh, whoa, yes. He come. He, oh, he take this feet and looking good. Mashallah. Mashallah. Excellent fish. I want to catch one fish and watch you this body fitness. How wonderful. Oh yes. Marvelous, marvelous. See you next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Tata. Bye bye. How can they play? You can watch video. This is exciting moment. They are exciting moment. Colorful fish are playing well. Beautiful, beautiful. I want to catch. I want to catch. One by one. You watch this video. Stay here and watch this video. Oh, this is looking good. Mashallah. Playing well. Oh, another join them. Some colorful fish. The koi fish are. Whoa, playing well. Playing well. Koi fish are playing well. Beautiful, beautiful. Playing well. Colorful fish. Another one. Catch it. Beautiful. Golden color fish. Here's someone. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish are playing well. Catch it. Oh yes, it is some. So sweet. So sweet. Oh yes. I want to catch them one by one. Okay. We'll just watch it. Oh yes, exciting moment, exciting moment. This is playing well, playing well. I want to catch. This is cute fish, white color fish. This is lovely fish, very nice. And join them. Wow, here's some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, there is 9 fish. This is koi carp. I want to catch this fish. Oh yes, it skipped some. It skipped some. Whoa, color fish, koi carp. Koi fish are looking good. Oh, this is real hero. This is real hero. Try for keep jump. Wow, another. I caught it. Beautiful fish. This is nylon tikka. This is nylon tikka. Whoa, beautiful fish. Colorful, beautiful, beautiful. Looking good. Whoa. Oh yes. Oh yes. I want another one. Oh yes. Beautiful fish. Oh, this is very clever. I cannot catch. Oh yes, at last I catch it. Oh, and finally there is empty and every fish are caught, and 2 box. They are looking good. Here one, here one. It's looking good, mashallah. See you next video. Allah Hafiz. Tata. Bye bye. Take care.